Here are some special things about nails on the Randy D Locks and Nails YouTube channel. Asterisk Nail Art Mastery asterisk. Randy D Locks and Nails showcases incredible nail art designs, from simple and elegant to bold and intricate. The channel's attention to detail and creativity will inspire you to try new nail art ideas. Asterisk Nail Care Expertise asterisk. The channel offers valuable tips and advice on nail care, including how to achieve healthy and strong nails, how to prevent breakage, and how to maintain your nails between salon visits. Asterisk Nail Enhancement Options asterisk. Randy D Locks and Nails explores various nail enhancement options, such as acrylics, gels, and nail tips, helping you choose the best option for your nail type and desired look. Asterisk Nail Art Tutorials asterisk. The channel provides step-by-step nail art tutorials, making it easy for you to recreate the designs at home. From beginner-friendly designs to more complex art, there's something for everyone. Asterisk Product Reviews asterisk. Randy D Locks and Nails reviews various nail care products, sharing honest opinions on their effectiveness, ease of use, and value for money. This helps you make informed decisions when shopping for nail care products. Asterisk Nail Inspiration asterisk. The channel's nail content is a constant source of inspiration, encouraging you to try new nail art designs, experiment with different colors and techniques, and embrace your creativity. Remember, Randy D Locks and Nails is a one-stop destination for all things hair and nails. Here's something good to say about Randy D Locks and Nails channel on YouTube. Randy D Locks and Nails channel on YouTube is a true gem for anyone passionate about hair and nail art. This channel is a vibrant showcase of creativity, talent, and expertise, featuring the stunning works of artists from the salon. From dreadlocks to nail designs, every video is a masterpiece that will inspire and delight you. The channel's energy is infectious, and the community is warm and welcoming. Whether you're a professional artist or just starting out, Randy D Locks and Nails channel is a must subscribe for anyone looking for inspiration, tips, and a healthy dose of creativity. Feel free to modify it as needed to fit your tone and style. Please subscribe today. All my social media channels: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.